So that verse of Aryabhata, so Samavritta Paritipādam Sindhyāt, so can be taken to be the geometrical way of constructing the timetable. So a description as to how you can find the 24 hours. Whereas the successive verse, so discusses the procedure for obtaining to a certain analytical relation. So Prathamat Chapajyarthat Yeirunam Khanditam Dvitiyartham Tat Prathamadhyartham Saihi Vaiste Runani Sheshani. In fact, this is a quite terse verse. So as Amartya was mentioning yesterday, there are certain terse verses which are somewhat difficult to understand, but without the help of commentary, you will not be able to understand this at all. In fact, the previous verse was somewhat simpler, but this is quite terse. Here, one term which you have to get familiar, which you would not have come across before, is Khandita. Khandita, Khanditajya or Khandajya. And you will see a little later, the other thing is called Pindajya. So this, you can easily understand the word through this example. See, this Makhi, Paki, Bhaki, etc., they refer to the Khanditajya, Khandajya. So Khanda in the sense, so you have split this quadrant into various khandas. Khanda means part. So you have split the quadrant into various khandas, and the jya corresponding to those khandas. So this is Makhi is Khandajya, Paki, then you will have Daki and so on. So these are the Khandajyas. Okay, the R signs. Then this Pindajya will be the sum of these. So suppose you take, so for Jya corresponding to 2 alpha, so it is called Pinda. So Pinda is the sum of Khandas. So these are
Pinda means that.
Now these are two terms which are used to make distinction. So Pinda is a much larger part. So in Pinda you have various Khandas. So it is that kind of
Pinda means large.
Tabular sign. Pinda is the tabular sign at various points. 3 degrees, 45 seconds, 7 degrees, 15
No,
degrees.
I'm saying the
terminology is asking.
terminology.
Yeah. No, the Pinda is used as a much larger thing, and in Pinda you will have various Khandas. So that is the thing, or seems to be the original.
Total or samagra.
Yeah. In fact, that Pinda also is, you can, if you think of this whole thing, can be considered as Pinda, and any part can be considered as Pinda, and
Aryabhata does not use the word Pinda.
later people, they use Pinda. In fact, he doesn't say this as Pinda, so because he gives you Khandajya values only. Okay. So here, Prathamat Tapajyarthad Yeirunam Khanditam Dvitiyartham. So Khanditam Dvitiyartham. So it refers to the second R sign difference. So when we are trying to find out, so I just redraw this figure. So you think of this, so P0, P1, P2, P3 and so on. P24, there are 24 divisions. here P naught Pi refer to the various pindas, and Pi plus 1 Pi will be the khanda. This is arc value. So all Pi, so this will be equal. Okay, so they are divided into equal parts. And suppose these projections are referred to as N1, N2 and so on. So Pi, Ni will be the gyas. Rather, ardha gyas to be more precise, but we will just call it as gya. So given P naught Pi, so we want to find out Pi Ni. So this is the problem. Okay. So this is given for 24 values. So here, sorry. So prathamat chapadyarthat. So the dyartha corresponding to the first division. So prathamat chapadyarthat. Yai runam means diminished by whatever part. Unam is diminished. Yaihi unam. So the measure by which it has been subtracted. Khanditam dvidiyartham. So the second khandajya. Tat prathamajyarthamshaihi. So that can be obtained from the prathamajyartha itself. So the measure by which the second R sign difference will be different from the first R sign difference can be obtained from the first R sign difference itself. So this is one way to understand that. Is it clear? Prathamat chapadyarthat from the first R sign difference. Yai runam, by whatever measure will be the. See, you can easily see that. So this Pi Ni will be greater than Pi, Pi plus 1. Sorry. So Pi
plus 1 and I plus 1.
No, Pi plus 1 and Ni plus 1 will be greater. No. This R sign difference, right? So Pi, okay. So Pi Ni, Pi plus 1, Ni plus 1. So this difference is what he is talking about. So this is one difference. So this difference, so will be greater than this difference. So it keeps on reducing. This is what I wanted to make. Okay. So Pi minus 1, Ni minus 1, so minus Pi Ni. So the differences is what he is trying to get. So this difference will be smaller than this difference and it keeps on reducing. So what he is trying to say is, in the case of first thing, so the second R sign difference, the measure by which it will be smaller than the first R sign difference can be obtained from the first R sign difference itself. And according to Aryabhata, so suppose we mark these differences, suppose we call this as delta I minus 1, and if we call this as delta I, so these differences, so this difference, if we choose I to be 1, 2, so then we will get these differences to be 1 itself. In fact, the difference, if you go and look at the table, the first value is given to be 225 and the second value is given to be 224, and this is obtained by 225 minus 225 by 225, that is 224. In fact, this is what he is trying to say. See, if you look at it here, so this I am using as bhuja. So B is the dya, bhuja. So this value is obtained from this value itself. This is what is called Prathamajyartha. Okay, so V1 is R sin 225. So which is, pardon? Yeah. So in the case of Aryabhata, so he has taken the first GR to be exactly 225. So sin theta is theta, he has taken. But later they will refine, which I will come to little later. Later people. So B1 is this. So and he says this Khanditam Dvitiyartham delta 2 is obtained from the first jya itself. So this first jya is what we have here in the relation in the right hand side. So that Prathamajyartham Shaihi. So then the word Prathama has to be understood as that which is preceding. Okay, if you want to get the later values. So Prathama to this is the previous thing. So Khanditam Dvitiyartham, so the successive value of the later khandas are to be obtained from the previous values. So Taistaihi Unani. So that little he says Taistaihi, those means that those things have to be added. So and Unani, okay. So Sheshani. So all the later values can be obtained by taking those values which are previous to this. Okay, so this work can be understood. Sheshani, all the values can be obtained. And the point that is to be noted here is this. So the relation with Aryabhata. So there are 2-3 ways in which this sloka has been interpreted by the commentators, and in all of them, basically you will get this relation. So the difference of the first order sine difference so is basically proportional to the sine value, and the value of this constant of proportionality is taken to be 1 by B1, so which is 225 in Aryabhatiya, whereas this value is refined, okay, in the later astronomical works where you find the sine table. Oh. So this is about the two verses which present the method to obtain 24 hour sine, which is described in Aryabhatiya. So I wanted to just spend a few minutes on this. So since we did not have any special tutorial, so we will just spend and try to figure out some of the values which have been listed here, and this is in Bhuta Sankhya. Okay. So you can just try to quickly write down some of these values. So this is the set which is presented in Surya Siddhanta, and here these values are stated in Bhuta Sankhya system. Okay, using what is Tattva?
25.
Tattva, so it is Sankhya Tattva, so it is 25. Then
25.
the next word is Ashvi.
2.
Ashvi is sort of Ashvinau. Okay, there are always two twins. So you can easily see 225 appears. Okay, Tattvashvina, then Anka,
9.
Abdi,
4.
Krita.
4. 4 9.
So this
4 9.
set actually presents the values of the various Pindajas, not like the Khandajas which has been given by Aryabhata. Okay. What will be the next value? Anka is 9. Abdi is
4.
ocean. Abdi means ocean. 4. Then we have Krita.
4.
Krita is 4. So what do we have? The first value is 225. Next value is
4 4 9.
4
4 9.
4 4 9. Yeah. Then Rupa
1.
1. Bhumi
1.
Rupa, no, sorry.
Bhumidhara.
We have to split as Rupa Bhumidhara. Bhumidhara is Bhudhara. So
8.
Bhudhara is the term which has been used to refer to
Diggaj.
mountains.
7.
Hills. So Bhudhara, I mean in the sense of they give the stability kind of thing. Okay.
7.
You got some question?
7.
Yeah. So Bhudhara is 7. Then
Ritavaha 6.
Bhudhara, Ritavaha,
6.
Ritu, Shad Ritava. There are 6 in them. So this will be the third thing. Okay?
Kha
Then
0.
Kha,
0.
Kha is 0. Akasha. Then
Ank
Anka,
9.
9.
Asht 8.
Ashtau 8. Then
5.
Pancha, Shunya, Ishaha.
11.
Pancha is 5. Shunya is 0.
Isha is 11. Isha.
Rudra, correct. Isha. So with this we'll stop. Then Bana.
5.
Bana is Shara Bana. Okay, Pancha Bana. So that is 5.
Rupa 1.
Rupa
1.
1.
3.
Guna
1. 3.
4.
3. 3.
3.
Guna is 3. So Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. Okay, so therefore Guna refers to 3. In fact, the term Guna, whenever it appears, one has to be extremely cautious. In mathematical text, Guna sometimes refer to multiplication. Guna will refer to 3. At one point of time I was thoroughly confused. Guna they also use to refer to Jya. So Guna is also synonymous to rope, string kind of a thing. And that is also used to refer to Jya itself. Yeah. Guna, if you go to this Mimamsa, it is different. And in common language, so it is somewhat different. If you go to grammar, Guna is different. Various things.
Adeng Guna.
And in colloquial language, Guna is also quality kind of thing. The person has. So it is various connotations. Anyway, so Bana, Rupa, Guna, Hindu is moon. See, 1. So we'll stop here. And see, if you look at, so this basically presents a certain table which will be obtained by summing up the differences which Aryabhata has given. So it is correct to minutes. So there are later people who give the value correct to seconds. And of course thirds comes little later. So quickly if you see, so 225, the difference will be 224. So if you add, then you will get 671. So 890. So this is basically the sum of all this. This is what Surya Siddhanta gives. The table which is given in Surya Siddhanta is correct to minutes, same as the table which has been presented by Aryabhata. Okay.
Sir, how old is Surya Siddhanta? How old is Surya Siddhanta?
Surya Siddhanta is a bit difficult, no? People do not have any consensus. So it is said Maya. So it can be a modified version of what is given as Saura Siddhanta in Varahamihirasti. Okay, so finally,
the presently available version is supposed to be around 1000 degree.
Yeah.
Just one guess.
yeah,
Presently available, but even in Aryabhatiya, I mean the Paramina
Varamina.
talks about earlier Surya Siddhanta. So they looked at in many ancient texts.
yeah. Okay. So Projya Utramena Vyasarthaja Utramajada Pindaka. So this is how it is. So all the values are. So given them, so if you want to find out the sign value in between, so how do you do that? See, Liptabhyaha Tattva Netrabhyaha. So this is just that interpolation, first order interpolation. See, if you look at this, see this J refers to the Jya value. So which are the listed values of the tabular signs. See, so if you have to find out the Jya value of some number which is not a multiple of 225, then how do you do that? So this Ji plus 1, so these are obtained. Suppose you want to find out Jya value corresponding to 968. So what will you do? Okay? Or rather, yeah. So somewhere it is in between. Okay? So if you want to find out, say for say 422. So then, so what you need to do is Ji plus 1 minus Ji into whatever is the difference. So this is for 225, and you add the previous Jya value. And then you get the Jya corresponding to that particular. Is it clear? It's simple. Okay? So use the, and see that's what he says. Datadhyaha sheshatat punaha Datagamyantara is the difference.
Sudhisiddhanta words.
So this is not Sudhisiddhanta. So this in fact, before he gives more precise values, Santa Sangraha itself has this. Liptabhya tattva netraptaha gatadhyaha sheshatatpunah gatagamyantaragnacha kritaha tattva yamaihi. Again you see, tattva is 25, yama is yamala. Okay, so pair. So it is 225. He says divide by 225 and then shipet you add it to the previous value. So do kotinche naye devam. So and if you want to find out the reverse, so given the Jya value, you want to find out the corresponding R, then again you can invert the process. Okay. So this is all it was. So this is the first order thing. The second order interpolation will be discussed by Professor Sriram. So this is another set of words which actually refines the recursion relation that will be employed to get the 24 sign values, which has been presented here in Tantra Sangraha. Okay, so I just
Sir, earlier relation was for the printed.
this one.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. So given, so any point here, so you know the Jya corresponding to this, you know the Jya corresponding to this. You have to find this difference, and this difference is for 225. So first order interpolation formula. So that is what it is. Okay. So this set of verses, I just spend about 5 minutes here to explain how they have refined the value, or rather the relation itself. So based on the kind of accuracy with which they were able to determine the relation between the circumference and the diameter of the circle. This is post Madhava work. See, Aryabhata took the first value to be 225 itself. Whereas here he says Vilipta Dashakonadya Rashyashtamsha Dhanukalaha. So Rashyashtamsha, so Rashi is 30 degrees. So Ashtamsha is 1/8 of 30. Okay. So Rashyashtamsha Dhanuhu, Dhanuhu is arc. So if you take the arc length to be this, okay. So if you take the arc length to be 225, then Vilipta Dashakona Jya. So the Jya corresponding to that. So all that he says is Jya of 225 is 225 minus 10. Minus 10 in what units? Vilipta. Okay. This is. So he is very careful. So he uses the word Kalaha there and he says Vilipta here. There are two terms. So Kala, Vikala. So this is for minutes and this is for seconds. And you also have Lipta and Vilipta. So they refer to that. So Rashyashtamsha Dhanukalaha Vilipta Dashakona. So when it is removed by, so here it is minutes, here it is seconds, so 224 and 50 minutes. So this is the first R same value. So Vilipta Dashakonadya Rashyashtamsha Dhanukalaha. Then he gives the procedure. See, Adyajyarthat Tato Bhakti. So Adyajyartha, in fact, he if you recall, so according to Aryabhata, so delta 2 is J1 minus J1 by J1. So if you call this as Jya, okay, the first is Jya. And he took this as 225, 225. Now, this part is going to be refined, both numerator and denominator. So, the second R sign difference is obtained from the first R sign difference, not by subtracting 1, but by subtracting a different ratio, wherein this value has been defined as you see from here, and the denominator also they give a different value. Okay. So, Argyadyarthat, so this is what is called Argyadyartha. So that value has been changed now. Argyadyarthat tato bhakte. Bhakte is divided. So divided by what? So that he says Sardha Devashvitihi. Can you figure out the number? Deva is 33. Then we have Ashmi.
2.
Okay. So Ashmi is 2. Deva is 33. Sardha is half added to that. So this denominator is stated to be 233 and half. Okay. So Aryabhata took it as 225, whereas they have given it as 233 and half. So Sardha Devashvitihi Tataha Tyakte. Tataha here refers to the first Jya that you obtain. Okay. So Tataha Tyakte. So once you subtract this ratio out from this Dvitiya Khandajya. So J2 or Dvitiya Khandajya. So this is what is called Dvitiya Khandajya. That's all. Tataha Tyakte Dvitiya Khandajya. Dvitiya Jya cha Pradyutihi. J2 is equal to J1 plus delta 2. Pradyutihi here refers to the quantity which was determined. So the second difference added to the first Jya gives to the second Jya. Dvitiya Jya Pradyutihi. Tatastenaiva harena. See, this hara is fixed. So this quantity, this is the hara. Hara is divisor. Okay. So tatastenaiva harena labdham shodhyam dvitiyataha. So you can keep on doing this process. Okay. So that thereby you will get all the 24 sign values. Tenaiva harena labdham shodhyam dvitiyah khanda dvitiya khandajya dvitiyaha tadyuto gunaha. See here this gunaha refers to Jya. Dvitiyaha gunaha tadyutaha. Okay. So on and so forth. Dvitiyasya tatastevam tathadyaha kramat gunaha. The word gunaha is used as synonym for Jya. So this is how you have to obtain all the 24 Jyas. So this is the table which has been given.
How did 233 and a half?
Yeah, so you will see that. Next slide, I will show you. This is the table which has been given by Madhava. Madhava's sign table, so I will show it in a later slide, or I will quickly do this. Okay. See now, you look at this. I will come back to that. See, the recursion formula which one gets is this. This is first order difference, this is first order difference, and something to be subtracted, so which is dependent on the sign value at that. So this R sin alpha corresponding to 225 was taken as 225 by Aryabhata. Now the exact recursion relation, so that one gets is this. This is the factor that appears. So 2 into 1 minus cos alpha.